Hi cuties! In this video, we are going to learn the homes of animals and birds. Let's get started. Cow. Cow lives in cow shed. Hen. Hen lives in coop. Lion. Lion lives in den. Horse. Horse lives in stable. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in burrow. Ant. Ant lives in ant hill. Cat. Cat lives in cat house. Spider. Spider lives in spider web. Mouse. Mouse lives in mouse hole. Pig. Pig lives in pigsty. Honeybee. Honeybee lives in hive. Birds. Birds lives in nest. Bear. Bear lives in cave. Fish. Fish lives in aquarium. Tiger. Tiger lives in den. Caterpillar. Caterpillar lives in plants. Deer. Deer lives in grassland. Ducks. Ducks lives in pond. Dog. Dog lives in kennel. Monkey. Monkey lives in trees. Snake. Snake lives in snake hole. Sheep. Sheep lives in pen. Elephant. Elephant lives in forest. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.